am Shivani and today is our presentation session and my presentation topic is Alak Pandey. You know Alak Pandey is a very popular teacher and YouTuber and he is a very strong people because every student like to Alak Pandey because his teaching style is unique and Alak Pandey was born on 2 October 1991 because and his father name is Rajat Pandey and his mother name is Manisha Pandey because and he has one elder sister and her name is Aditi Pandey and Aditi Pandey is elder sister and one time said to Alak Pandey, you do not everything because you are only for study engineering mechanical, so you do not everything. So Alak Pandey feel very bad. Then you remember he just starting for teaching and firstly started time you have no smart board and anything extra. So every students like to his teaching style and so his video is very famous and every student like to his teaching style and after he is growing and he have lots of money, then he started PW. It means physics wala and physics wala quota available in of Rajasthan and physics wala Vidyapit. You know Vidyapit is a very big building and he have a one time in offline class 10,000 student read and every students like to go to in a PW in like a JEE, NEET, NDA and UPSC and fees is not a very costly and because same thing Khan sir. So Alak sir is a very smart and very handsome and one time Alak Pandey come to Sandeep Maheshwari show and all audience said to Alak sir how should we improve ourselves and how can we manage. Then Alak sir is said to audience, you believe on yourself, then you achieve everything and everything is possible in world, not impossible everything. So trust on yourself and you achieve. So now time in February 2023 Alak sir get love marriage and his wife name is Shivani Dubey and Shivani Dubey is a very beautiful and after marriage, before marriage Shivani Dubey is both of love and Shivani Dubey is a journalist and Khan sir is a teacher and YouTuber and every month income in YouTube like 9.17 million. So you know now time Alak sir have a 8,000 crore property and Alak sir is a very popular for unique for teaching style and he provide everything and Alak sir have a team number of and many types of teacher available in PW like Aditya sir, Vijay sir and many types of miss like Anushka miss is a very beautiful and his professional and personal life is very different and his understanding to all of his students like experiment and study and all students understand to very easy and Anushka ma'am is a chemistry teacher and every chemical reaction is a show for in class and online provide videos and etc. and Anushka ma'am professional life is very different. Every time Anushka ma'am professional life in do dancing videos and she live in many modern type and she is very beautiful and attractive and all students like to Anushka ma'am and I am fan to Anushka ma'am. So you know Anushka ma'am and number of ma'am available in but I don't have many types of student about. So You like PW, and PW is a very biggest platform and unicorn company, and Alak sir is a CEO of unicorn company and PW. So every teacher teaching time wear the physics wala t-shirt, and every ma'am and every teacher. So now time some years before Alak sir and his full team come to Patna, Kankarwag, and very big type of celebrating. So and now time in Patna teaching for Alak sir, teaching in Alak sir like JEE, NEET and NDA, etc. and number of students go to Patna and go to Patna for teaching, and many of students, lots of students qualified for NDA and NEET, and you know Elena is a NDA crack, and she is a very intelligent girl, and number of students qualified JEE, NEET, NDA, and now time started Alak sir UPSC, and his fees is normal and not a very costly fees, and every normal middle class family afford the fees and go to Patna, and you can read. So if I want to share one thing like believe on your trust, so yourself, and you do not believe on yourself, then you do not achieve everything and go to here and there and out of control you. So you waste type of, and now time Alak sir is a very important, because Alak sir is a before time read in Bishop Johnson school, and he is a younger time read in Ahmedabad University, and he is very popular for and his online free videos YouTube, and every student read in YouTube and with free, not any fees provide and etc. So thank you guys for listening.